Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I'll show you how to connect an Xbox controller to your Android device. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, find the Bluetooth toggle, and let's actually hold it. This will take us to the settings. From here we can enable it on our controllers. Actually, let me just start off by actually putting batteries in it because there is none. So just slap some batteries in here. And let's hold the power key. As you can see, it will turn on and it will start blinking. So you can see this is actually already connected to something. I'm not exactly sure what it did connect to, but anyway. So what you want to do now is hold this little button right here. As you can see on the camera, there's a tiny little button that is on the top right here. And when you start holding it, the light will start blinking frequently. And on your device, simply go to your Bluetooth like I already showed you, select the scan option, and it will start looking for devices. And as you can see, it's already found it, so let's just select it. Connect or pair, yep, and there we go, it's connected. As you can see, the light is now steady, it's not blinking anymore, so that means that it is connected. And from here you can simply use the device to navigate your phone. So there we go. Now Gamepad will work in specific games that actually support it, and if some games don't, you could always download some application from a Play Store and basically map the actual controller as a touch input on the display to allow you to use these, well, any kind of controller and basically all the games. Now I will mention before you start doing that, there are some apps that don't like it. I believe PUBG is one of those that basically doesn't support or allow use of a controller. At least when I tried it way back in the day, they didn't, and they were also giving you a message that they can ban you for that if you try to do it. So just keep that in mind, that some apps that don't support it and don't really want you to use this might also have a way to ban you for using this. But basically those are primarily the multiplayer games. Anything single player, the developer doesn't care. You can play it however you like. So yeah. But anyway, that is how you could connect your controller to your phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.